guys, this is week 6 timeline, hand motions explained. Our first hand motion is going to be for India's Mauryan Empire. That's our first card, India's Mauryan Empire. For India, as you may recall, we're going to point to the middle of our forehead, touching the spot where the bindi would be placed. For Mauryan Empire, they were known for the roads that they built. So we're going to do very similar to the sign that we did for wandering. We're going to put our hands facing one another and draw roads. Mayans of Mesoamerica. For Mayans of Mesoamerica, we're going to be drawing flat-sided pyramids with our hands. So we're going to come up and in and up and in and up and in. Okay? Mayans of Mesoamerica. Punic Wars. Punic, we'll make the sign P, and wars, we'll go back and forth with our hands. Rome conquers Greece. For Rome, we're going to be making an R, and then the sign for conquers is to close one wrist on top of the other. And this is showing one party being forced into submission by the other party. So Rome conquers. And for Greece, we're going to do the same sign that we did for Peloponnesian. So we're going to make a G with our fingers, and then we're going to draw it down our forehead across the bridge of our nose to symbolize the helmets that were worn during these wars. Roman dictator Julius Caesar. For the word dictator, Roman dictator, we're going to be saluting by placing our hand against our forehead and then pulling it away. Julius Caesar, we're going to draw a J. The next card is Caesar Augustus and the Pax Romana. For Caesar Augustus, we're going to be focusing on his last name, A. So we're going to bring our hand in an A, and we're going to draw a sash with it. So coming from one shoulder to the opposite hip. Caesar Augustus, just one time. And the Pax Romana. So the Pax Romana was a peace agreement, and the sign for peace agreement is to just slide the hands away from one another. But because we're talking about the Pax Romana, we're going to make those P's. So let's draw our P's and just slide them away from one another. Pax Romana. And finally, the last card this week is John the Baptist. For John, we're going to draw our P again. Or not a P, a J. Draw your J again. And then for Baptist, we're going to do a sign that represents baptism. So we're going to take what look like A's, and we're going to dip it in the water and then take it out. Okay?